Hey there, keyboard enthusiasts. Welcome back to Product Critique. If you're on the hunt for a keyboard that marries aesthetics and performance, you're in for a treat. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss a review. Today, we're delving into the world of mechanical keyboards with the Akko Sakura Jelly RGB. Let's dive in. Hey there. What's up, everyone? Today, we're taking a closer look at the Akko Sakura Jelly RGB mechanical keyboard. This keyboard promises a blend of style and functionality that's sure to catch the eye of any keyboard enthusiast. Hey there! Are you a fan of a keyboard that makes a statement? The Akko Sakura Jelly RGB could be your dream keyboard. With its captivating Japanese springtime design, it's a visual delight. The translucent jelly frame and pudding PBT with transparent sides give the keys a floating effect that's simply stunning. Now, let's talk performance. The linear switches on the Akko Sakura Jelly RGB offer a satisfying typing experience. While the keyboard is not the most stable out there, it's still a joy to type on. The keyboard is solidly built, with a heft that showcases its quality. Customization-wise, the Akko Sakura Jelly RGB has some tricks up its sleeve. You can create your own custom functions and macros, adding versatility to your workflow. While it may not support extensive color customizations, it offers several RGB lighting effects that add a touch of fun to your setup. Hey there! Wondering how it performs in gaming? The Akko Sakura Jelly RGB handles gaming well, though it might not be the best choice for lightning-fast gameplay. Its linear switches offer a satisfying feel, making it great for productivity and everyday use. So, let's talk price. The Akko Sakura Jelly RGB comes in at $109.99, which might give some pause considering the competition. While it may not have the most stable keys, its aesthetic appeal and solid build might make it worth the investment for collectors and enthusiasts. And there you have it, our take on the Akko Sakura Jelly RGB mechanical keyboard. If you're all about combining style and function, this keyboard might be your next must-have accessory. If you found this review helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with fellow keyboard aficionados. For more tech reviews and insights, stay tuned to Product Critique. Until next time, keep typing with style and confidence. Catch you in the next video.